Hello everyone. In today's 5-minute mobility routine video, we will be doing a deceptively simple movements for the shoulders. So you're going to have your hands on your shoulders and start to roll one back at a time. I say deceptively simple because it doesn't look like much, but it does a lot to release the tightness around your arm bones, which is attached to the shoulders joints, as well as the entire collarbone structure. And that is one part where most people get frozen shoulders. So roll the shoulders back one at a time. Now note that when you do this, your torso remains upright. Your chest, your spine, your legs, everything is aligned. They're not moving. Just roll the shoulders, particularly the arm bone in the entire shoulder joints. Your deltoid muscles will be moved along as well. That's a really good thing. Try to keep your gaze forward and not turn your body in any way, because the only way to release this part of the joints is to really move the bone in it. So do it consecutively now, rolling one shoulder back after the other and doing it a little bit slower, feeling like you are moving it in oil. It's a bit sticky, and that's what we want because we're paying attention to move through every corner of the entire dome, of the entire shoulder structure there. And now bring one arm up and slowly roll it down. So you roll one arm up, bring the shoulder as high to the ear as possible and slowly roll it back. Note that when you bring the arm up and bring it as high to the ear as possible, your torso is still not moving, your chest is not moving, your spine is not rotating. We are lifting the arm here in the joints and releasing by pulling all the soft tissue upwards to release more in all the sticky tight bits around there. So if we do move any part of our spine, chest, rib cage, or torso, we will compromise the movement. We will not be going through all the hidden sticky bits. So continue in a more fluid manner, still pulling the shoulders up and roll it down. Roll it forward, pulling it up and down. Do this for a while longer if you like. Really feel the stickiness, the tightness around the top of the shoulders. Continue to stand really upright. Have your palm face front and let the arm turn naturally in the joints. Palm face front. Naturally, it will turn up a little bit before it turns to the back and down. Keeping the arm as straight as possible. It will naturally bend a little bit, but at the very least, when you bring the arm up with the palm face front, it needs to be straight so that you can maintain a straight extended elbow as much as possible, letting the weight of the arm move in totality in the shoulder joints. So only if there is heaviness in the arm through proper arm extension will then be the weight to move in full circle in the shoulder joints. Because if our arms are bent, chances are we are flicking the lower arm. The arm will give you the illusion of a movement, but it will not circle in completion. I hope that makes sense to you. So as the movement gets a bit more fluid, you can see I have a little bit of bounce there, and it's totally fine to actually involve the hip joints a little bit. So as your palms face forward, you fold from the hip joints a little bit, you bounce a little bit. And then sweeping the arms up, palms face back and down before it comes up again. Both arms move in a coherent way. Showing you from the back here, as you can see, let the spine be loose. Loose in the sense it's pliable to accommodate the movement of the arms in the shoulder joints. So these movements are very simple. Essentially, we can release tight shoulders by moving the arm bones in the shoulder joints. We don't need to do fancy shoulder movements, okay? Try that and let me know how you feel in the comment section below. If you feel supported by my content, like, share, subscribe, or buy me a coffee, link in the description box below. I'll see you very soon in the next video.